Good day everyone, my name is Nataliya and you are watching Lovecraftforever channel, and my apology that I have a little bit later on video today, a little bit late. Some of you worry already. Don't worry, I'm good, I'm fine. It's just that with the Easter time preparation I didn't have a time to record my video, plus this package arrived a little bit later on in the daytime and I'm ready now. So as I record this video, it will be straight up on my channel. So this came from ArtDot. That's another electric wireless pen I call vacuum pen, that really comfortable to work with diamonds. And if you remember, I have already his little brother Bunny. We have a cute little ducky here, and I have a little cute little kitty cat in here. Look at that. Like, it's really actually satisfying, all these colors together. This was my very first diamond painting pen, which have very quiet sound, but I think the tip was made a little bit more on a softer spot. And I have here is one, here is another one. They kind of the same size, I would say. Yeah, it's the same size. Only this one came with the protection to cover pen, and this one didn't have any. And I think this tip was a little bit thinner. But when I do my diamond painting a lot, I don't know if it's going to be visible or not, but I feel like tip maybe a little bit is start to rubbing up if I push on the diamonds, but it's still strong for me, and I use this one a lot because this one is more quiet than this one, and this pen has a little bit less vibration. So now let's check it out, this pen, and we're going to compare them together by listening to the sound. So I was hoping to have a little bit something different, not just about the color, but by looking on the back of the box, it looks exactly everything same. The model same, the power it's the same, 0.15 watt, 2A input, like 5 watt, whatever that is in here. So one diamond vacuum pen, one charging cable, and one instruction manual. So nothing really looks like different. It's exactly the same, but the color and design. I'm still hoping, because I did email them and ask if they would be able to create at least one multi-placer, maybe like, you know, 2-placer or 3-placer, but something more than just one. So far I didn't have that come true, but hopefully one day they will do. Even my daughter Catherine says, oh, I wish it would be multi-placer, because she gets bored to place diamond just one by one. So let's check it out. First of all, I love the color. I love the color. It's nice baby color. We have a booklet in here that tell you everything about this pen. And then we have a thank you card from ArtDot with the QR code in here. Okay, and then this is how it looks like in a package. So I'm not sure if I'm going to flip. Yeah, probably going to flip my video so you can see correct way. So we do have a cable, and usually I just use same cable for all of them because it's fit, so that's why it's going to be staying here. But this is the one cable that looks exactly same on both sides. And usually diamond painting already pre-charged, so I already try to see if charger will work, if it's gonna hold or not. That's why package already open, just for in case I need to recharge for the video. So it is still charged. I don't have to do the charger system cable we have on the side of the pen. Maybe let me take this aside. What a cute little ducky. Look at that. Maybe I can zoom a little bit more close to me. He's adorable. Has like a water bubbles or something flying around. Because with the yellow pen we have a daisy flowers, which is my birth flower, so it's perfect, and little bunny. With the kitty cat we have butterflies around. Look how beautiful, all three of them beautiful. All three will do for your purpose very nicely, especially for AB diamonds. I do not place AB diamonds anymore with any other pen that need to have a wax. This pen you don't have to have a wax, and actually this one, the new one, also have a protection. It looks like nozzle in here exactly same that in a purple pen. Size I think the same. I think the same, but yeah, matching kind of blue in here, purple in here. So, and let's see the sound. When you turn on, it will have a light, but I can tell already that to me sounds much louder than a bunny. Let me turn it off and listen carefully. You see how much quiet? Now let's compare this one with the purple one. So here is the purple that we did with your review previous time. This one is louder than yellow. Do you think blue one a little bit more louder? Let's listen again. I think so. So this one, the more louder and louder noises, but nothing else changes. I would love to see, for example, some kind of, and the tip they made is like reinforced, so it's a stronger tip supposed to be than this one. We'll see. Like, feels like it's the same exactly. I don't know. But they say it's a stronger, so we have to believe it. I like that they have a protection to cover up, just so in case you don't get damage. But yeah, it's get louder a little bit. And then here this one duck is straight looking at you. Then we have one ducky sleeping. And if you ever see ducky live, they know how they sleep, hiding their nose in their feathers. Here's one more very goofy one. Look at this little ducky. Do we have, oh, there's a clouds in here as well. Very cute. And what this one doing? He has a butterfly in his butt. Oh my goodness, that is cute. They have their logo in here. The pen is cute, and I have to say that I know that I will love them all because they do serve purpose what they needed. It's so much nicer right now to place diamonds without wax, which I'm still using a regular pen. For example, if I do video recording, and usually for the video I pick the quietest pen, which is this one, so it doesn't annoy you if you decide that it's a little bit too much noises for you to listen. But for myself at home I use both of them, so now 3 of them it's going to be in a use, especially for AB diamonds, because I had so much trouble. And like last night I was working on my Luna's Garden diamond paint and canvas, and up there we have lots of AB diamonds, and I did use my pen, this yellow pen, because this one Catherine was using. She's kind of into diamond painting now, and she have fun to work with this kind of pen, so she say it's really neat. What else we should ask for the ArtDot to be create? By the weight I think they exactly same, yeah. Yeah, feels exactly same. Maybe now they need to try to do something, for example, maybe thinner, more sleek pen to create. For those who don't like chubby pen, I would say it's still comfortable, but it does have some weight into it. So I wonder if they would create much thinner pen, would that be lighter in weight, maybe more comfortable for many people, I don't know, but definitely very nice to work with. When I'm looking right now on a website, my website turned right away into Canadian price. So in Canadian dollars it is $50.19, but before it's turned to Canadian, it was a quick flick that was staying $35 USA, 35, and I think it's like a few cents or something US dollar. So in your US dollar, my friends from America, it's much cheaper sounds for you, $35, it's good. And there was like a deals for the Easter time, so check if it's still available. You can use my discount code NAT and save 10%. I will post the link to the new pen so you can check it out, and then check the other ones if you like it. So the sounds, I feel like it's go gradually from yellow to purple to blue, kind of like the quiet, a little bit more loud, and this one feels like more loud. So to compare between yellow and blue, listen to the sound. Yeah, definitely more sounds I feel like in here. Yeah, but between these two, one more time. Do you think it the same or blue a little bit more louder? Comment between which pen you would prefer, like which one pen you think is the best in the sound. If you have to choose one, I will read your comments and see what we think when we're going to play some diamonds. So in my next video of diamond paint and placing, which will be probably Thursday, maybe one will be earlier, I will be testing out with you this brand new pen, but to be honest, they all work the same, and it's what you like, what kind of color you wish to pick, and that's all really about this pen. It's just a different picture and color, but designs exactly same. They have kind of like a little grip in here. Let's see if we can focus on the tip. You can see like a ruffle a little bit in this area for the better grip on your fingers. If you focus, if you hold it in here, but to be honest, I always hold higher, so there's no grip in here where it's higher. So this one, it doesn't matter to me. I don't think it would be even comfortable to hold. It's for me not even comfortable to hold in here because it's too heavy in this portion. So in here it's more distribution of the weight of the pen, so I always hold in here. To me it's comfortable. For those who ordered this or this pen, comment how you like it. Do you like it? What do you think about this pen? To me it's the best work. If I have to work with AB diamonds, I always grab on my electric vacuum pen because it's the best to work without any wax, I'm telling you. So thank you so much everyone for watching this short video. My apology, video went a little bit later on today, but this is what we have, and now I'm going to get ready for some video for you for tomorrow. See you tomorrow.